Poisson distribution. In this session, let us learn about Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. It estimates how many times an event can happen in a specified time. Example, if someone eats twice a day, what is probability he will eat thrice? It has two parameters, lam, rate or known number of occurrence, example 2 for above problem. Size, the shape of the returned array. C, generate a random 1 into 10 distribution for occurrence 2. If we execute this code, the result returns this. Visualization of Poisson distribution. Create a 0D array with value 42. If we execute this code, the result returns this. Difference between normal and Poisson distribution. Normal distribution is continuous, whereas Poisson is discrete. But we can see that similar to binomial for a large enough Poisson distribution, it will become similar to normal distribution with certain std, dev and mean. See the example. If we execute this code, the result returns this. Difference between Poisson and binomial distribution. The difference is very subtle. It is that binomial distribution is for discrete trials, whereas Poisson distribution is for continuous trials. But very large n and near 0, p binomial distribution is near identical to Poisson distribution, such that n into p is nearly equal to lam. See here, if we execute this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 22, Poisson distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, uniform distribution. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.